Weekly Forex outlook for Sunday, June 22nd to Friday, June 27th. Going to be breaking down my 5 main currency pairs with gold, WTI COUSD, Brent crude oil, S&P NAS, and US 30. So to start us off, let's start with the DXY. So the DXY from the previous week going into this one, we do see price coming off a weekly area of demand. Past previous weeks going into this one, DXY has been trending to the downside, right? Daily, H3, bearish order flow, since this would be the last valid lower high structure point that led to this lower low, right? H1 bullish retracement within overall H3 bearish order flow. I'm going to go ahead and label this area H1 demand. Overall, I do see price continuing to the downside and probably taking out that weekly demand area, but let's see what happens. Start us off and start with GJ. So GJ from the previous week going into this one, price is closing, breaking out of this daily or weekly area, weekly and daily area supply. I'm going to go ahead and delete that area. Actually, I'm going to keep it just because I want to see a full breakout. I want to see if price is going to maybe close. Obviously, when market opens, it's going to close here and then maybe come down to the downside. Let's see what happens. I'm just going to leave it, even though it does look messy. I just feel like it's still somewhat playing a presence and a role there. GU price overshot that daily demand area. Kind of similar to what I was saying with GJ. Just going to leave that there, see what happens with that area. Daily TBV supply area, right? Sorry. Rally base drop daily scenario. So daily rally base drop. EU. Previously going into this one. If the DXY demand area gets taken out, right? EU breaks this weekly area of supply to the upside, just going to be correlating with each other. AU, finally price rejected that weekly area of supply, went to the downside. Looking like it's going to be coming back down to a daily demand area right around there. Oh my God. What is this? Fuck off. And UJ from the previously going into this one. Price is respecting that weekly area of demand. Looking like it's going to the upside. Go to our daily time frame. Go ahead and label this area. Just gonna put daily. XAU USD. Been killing gold lately. Took some big losses, got some big W's, but got to still recuperate some losses I took. Right, daily structure is bearish. I'm bullish. Sorry, weekly structure is bullish as well. I know, like, it looks very not clean. There's a lot of chart data I have there. H3. Looking like we're in a transitional state from bullish order flow to bearish order flow, coming off that daily area of supply. WTI COUSD finally rejected and respected that weekly fair value gap I had drawn. Right, went to the upside. Now looking like it's approaching a supply area. Same with VCO USD. S&P coming off that weekly area of supply, we could be going to the downside and rejecting. NAS very similar, if not the exact same price action as S&P. US 30 kind of different price action. Price coming off that daily area of supply midweek, rejected it. It looks like we could be going to the downside. Let's see what happens. But that's all for my weekly breakdown. Pretty clean price action. Looking like a lot of continuations coming off of areas of supply or demand, strong areas of weekly supply or demand. Overall, let's see what happens. But that's all for my weekly breakdown video. I thank you guys for watching my videos and have a good trading week.